Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amito Mitra and I am speaking right from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa. For those of you watching me for the very first time, you're most welcome. Kindly be a part of this very beautiful, humble and amazing family by subscribing to my channel, and also make it a point to like this video and all other videos that you'll come across on this channel. It's a beautiful, very cold evening here in Kampala right now, and I've seen so many people complain on social media how it is very, very cold. I don't know why Africans so much talk about the cold weather than the hot weather. I want to take you through a simple procedure. I want to do something that I've not done before today, that is doing my hair from home. I always go to the salon and I spend a lot of money, so I thought it wise to try doing it from home. If I fail, I'll continue going to the salon, but if I do it well, then home it will always be. So I don't want to talk too much in this video. Let's get going. So this is how my hair looks like right now. I don't know if it is really coming out so well. I bought shampoo, air conditioner, move it. I don't know if it is seen. I bought mayonnaise air conditioner with shea butter and olive oil. This is it. This is hair vitalizer. I bought Echo molding gel. Lastly but not least, I bought this brush. It's a hair brush. Let me remove it from this hair brush. Yep, I bought this hair brush. So guys, I want us to get into the process right now and see how things are going to go. Just hands crossed for me because it's the very first time I'm doing this. I hope I manage. Oh, before I forget, I bought gloves. I bought gloves. Yep, I bought gloves, guys. So I boiled water, hot water, and I'm going to mix it with cold water. So guys, I'm now going to add the mayonnaise hair conditioner with shea butter and olive oil. I was told to put it in my hair for about 20 minutes, so that is why I'm going to apply it right now, and then I'll have to do other things, then come back after 20 minutes. I don't know about the quantity. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I feel like I'm putting a lot, but yeah, let's see how it goes. This has been on my head for close to 30 minutes, I think 27, or by the time I'll finish this introduction, I think it will already be 30 minutes. I've boiled some water, so I want to wash it off. Let's remove it and see. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, this is my hair. Thank you for watching, everyone. Leave a like, leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.